In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a demo account on XM. First, sign into your XM account. At the top, you will see your account section. Right now, I am on a real account, and you can see the balance here. To switch to demo accounts, click on it and select Demo. Now you will see your demo account dashboard. To create a new demo account, click on the plus icon where it says New Account. Select Demo Account. Now XM will ask you to choose the trading platform type. I am going to choose MT5, then click Continue. Next, you will choose your account type. XM usually offers ultra-low standard and XM0 for demo trading. I will select ultra-low standard, then click Continue. Now you can customize your trading account. You can set your leverage, choose your currency, select your starting balance, and give your demo account a name. I will keep the default settings for this example and click Continue. The last step is to create your password. This is the password you will use when logging into MetaTrader platforms with your demo account. So, create a secure password, type it in, and then click Complete. And that is it. As you can see, my demo account has now been created. You can use it right away to practice trading on XM or log into MT5 and start testing strategies. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.